My dear brothers and sisters in Jesus Christ, let us take a gospel passage for our reflection today. Gospel of Mark, chapter 5, verse 1 onwards. They came to the other side of the sea, to the country of the Gerasenes. And when he had come out of the boat, there met him out of the tombs a man with an unclean spirit, who lived among the tombs, and no one could bind him any more, even with a chain. For he had often been found with fetters and chains, but the chains he wrenched apart, and the fetters he broke in pieces, and no one had the strength to subdue him. My dear brothers and sisters, here we find a man possessed by the evil spirit. Jesus is coming to the other side of the lake. When he is reaching there, he is coming across with a man possessed by the evil spirit. He is living in a burial ground, in the tombs. He is away from home. And he was not able to be subdued. People wanted to control him, but people were not able to subdue this man. And when we come to the verse in this passage, we find when this man is seeing Jesus, he is shouting, "Lord, what do you have to do with me?" So let us come to the situation of this man. First thing, he is away from his home. He is away from the society. He is away from other people. And this man, he is hurting himself with stones. And he is shouting at Jesus, "What do you have to do with me?" He is away from God. A man possessed by evil spirit, he is away from the society. He does not want to have company with other people. He is not in compromise with himself. He is hurting himself. The man possessed by the evil spirit, he is controlled by the evil spirit. He has no control over himself. That's why he is hurting himself. So he is away from his true self. And he is shouting, "Why have you come here?" Shouting at Jesus and telling, "What do you have to do with me?" He is away from God. A man possessed by evil spirit is in this miserable condition. If you allow the evil spirit to take control of you, then the evil spirit will take complete possession on you, complete control on you, and he will ask you to do everything according to his will, and you will act according to his promptings. You will not be able to enjoy the blessings of God. My dear brothers and sisters, in this Lenten season, we have to look into our life. We have to see whether there is any kind of possession of the evil spirit in my life. If there is any possession, any kind of possession of the evil spirit, then I will be controlled by him. I will not be able to go to Jesus, go to the Lord and get his blessings. Let us come out of the possession of the evil spirit. The Lenten season will help us to take decisions to keep away from the power of the evil spirit. Let us ask the help of the Lord to come out of the control of the evil spirit and to give us completely to the control of the Lord. May God bless you and give you peace and prosperity. Amen.